In this video, I want to talk about how you can claim a Temu refund. Now, this works on your phone as well as on the website, and all you have to do is head over to your profile, select your orders, and in here we want to select the order that we want to refund. Now, keep in mind, usually Temu has a 90 days return or refund from the day of purchase. So as long as it's not more than 90 days, you should be able to do this. Just find the order, click on it, click on refund, and then just select the reasoning. Then you need to make sure that you check if you need to return the item or not. So if you do this before it gets shipped, you don't need to return it. If you do it after it gets shipped, then you might need to return it. And sometimes you don't even have to return the item, even if you get the item. So just come in here, select it, press refund, select the reasoning, and then select how you want to get the refund. You can usually select the original payment method. So if you use PayPal, you will then get it in PayPal. Or if you use your card, you will get it back on your card. Or you can also choose to get it on Temu Balance, which will be your credit balance. And then you can use this next time you check out, and you can use it as discount. So these are the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.